Hey everyone, I'm back with another mukbang. Today I have, um, let's see. These two are crunchy rolls. This one has the onion. It has a tempura chicken in it with the rice. This one has the same thing, except it has this different texture on top. I have chicken pot stickers and I have pork. I've never tried these before, so y'all are gonna see me try them for the first time. So we'll cross our fingers and hopefully I like them. So let me take a bite. Look how good that looks. Put a little bit of this on it. Hmm. They actually taste pretty good. Well, this one so far. I'm drinking a juice. Well, I have my hers cup, fruit punch. So let's try this again. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Ooh, that looks good. This is the one with the crunchy onions on top. Put a little bit of soy sauce on it. Tastes pretty good. They're both the same thing. It's just the top part. This one has the onions and this one has these little crunchy little balls on top. But all in all, it's good. Let's try one of these. This one's the chicken. Let's see if I can grab it with these guys. This one's the chicken. Oh, this one's the... Tastes pretty good. Tastes like it has cabbage in it with the chicken. I like it. Tastes good. Not bad. Let's try the pork. This one is the pork. They both taste pretty good. I've never tried these before. Even when I went to Chinese or a restaurant, I've never tried them. Not even these. Tastes pretty good. I like it. Let's eat another one of these. Let's see the inside of it. Oh my god. I mean, this is good. I was able to get these at our local store. The lady that does them, they're in HEB. And there's a lady that's in the deli department that makes these fresh every day. Like fresh. And I don't like the crab. So I asked her, because everything she had up there was crab. So I asked her if she can make me something without crab, because I don't do crab. So she made these for me, which is real nice of her to do. I really appreciate it. I always passed by there in the store, always looked at them to see what they were. Look at that. Oh, so good. Always passed by there to see, you know, what they were, what they had in them, and all of them always had crab in them. So I'm like, you know, and I always thought, you know, maybe they don't put, you know, without crab, but they always put with crab. So I never asked. I was like, I always passed by there and I never asked. This time I asked, and I was like, hey, let me ask. But it's awesome. I don't know about the wasabi. I've never tasted it before, so I don't know if I will like it. I thought I got a little, oh, there it is. I did get an extra sushi sauce, but to me it has enough on it, so, which tastes real good. Oh. I've never tried this. I was always scared to try these. So, first time for everything, right? I mean, I'll eat their like the Chinese rice. But I've never tried it like this. And out of these two, they both taste awesome. And when I was leaving the store, they put these little things inside in a bag. And oh, I was so upset because the lady put them in a bag and she just threw it inside the basket. Oh. And one of them was like toppling over. The food was like touching the top, and I was like, no, I don't want that. So I had to put them in the front seat of my car just so they wouldn't mess up. Oh. But God, these are awesome with the soy sauce and without. It's good. Either way. Another thing is, they make them right there in front of you too. I had got this one at first, and I was like, you know what? Let me get one more, just in case. What, you know, just to, in case, you know, what if it has a different taste or texture, whatever. So I was going around the store, I bought me groceries. I should have did a grocery haul because I bought like $200 of groceries. I should have did a grocery haul. And yeah, I should have did a grocery haul, but I didn't. But yeah, when I asked her, I went back and I asked her, and I was like, hey, do you think you can make me one more, but with this on top of it? I don't know what they're called. And she's like, oh yeah, sure. And she stopped what she was doing. I was like, you can finish what you're doing, you know, you don't have to do it right now. I mean, I don't mind. And she's like, oh, no, ma'am. I get for you. And I was like, okay. I mean, that's how she was talking to me. I was like, okay, that's fine. So I stood right there and I watched her make me this other one, which I thought that was awesome that she did it, you know, right in front of me and everything, and stopped what she was doing just so she could do it, which I thought that was amazing. Oh! I didn't think these would make me burp, but yeah, they're making me burp. These cups, they are real slippery. I had a little fail a while ago. It fell all over the table. Yeah. I was like, oh my god, are you serious? So yeah. I can't believe the flavors out of this. It's just like, it's just popping. All the flavors. And the sauce that's on here, it's the spicy mayo, I think. It's a sushi sauce. Okay, steamed and pan-fried dumplings. Oh no, that's the dumplings. Hold on, let me get the other paper. The other one is, let's see, sushi rice wrapped with tempura chicken and topped with sushi sauce, spicy mayo, and tempura crumbs. And this is the way it looks. The paper, that's the way it looks. And that's how much it was. Just for them. And it tells you when they make it. And it tells you what time it is. Because these are good for 2 days. These are good for 1 day. I think that's what she said. Or was it backwards? No, I think 1 day for these and 2 days for these. Which, that ain't really bad. How much they are, and I mean, really a good price for them. I think if I don't eat them all, I'll probably take them to work tomorrow. Show off my little chopsticks. Just kidding. Just kidding. Let me know in the comments who else has tried this. Or if y'all tried anything else. Let me know what's good, what I should try. Because this is the first time I'm trying this, and the first time me trying it, so I didn't know what to get. I mean, they had a lot of stuff there. They even had stuff like, you buy 2 and you get them for so much. They had salmon. They had the imitation crab, and then they had the real crab. Tuna. And then it was spicy tuna. They had spring rolls. And they had another kind of roll. I should have took a picture of it and showed you how they had it set up. And I didn't even think about it. I was like, oh, let me just grab it and go. I'll do it later. But yeah. I like the onions on it. Sorry, guys. Hey, baby girl. My baby girl looks so cute with her collar. I have it in a video. I think it's I don't know if this one's gonna come out first or my Chipotle is gonna come out first. But either one. But on my Chipotle, I think I talked about my daughter, really? My puppy's collar on there. So, yeah, so y'all can see it. So I put a picture. I'll put another picture right here. And I'll show you her cute little collar. And then she had like a little crown. I don't know. It ties around her little head. And then it had a little crown on the top. I'll show you. I'll put the little picture right here for y'all. She looked just adorable. And then when we went to PetSmart yesterday, they gave us a paper and they were like, bring your dogs on February, I think it's like the 10th through the 13th or something like that. And they have like free pictures, free snacks. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. There's free pictures, free snacks, you know, just for the dogs. It's just stuff for the dogs. Like a day for them. So I was thinking maybe we should take ours, but I don't know. This is so good. My husband doesn't like this. So I asked him. Well, he asked me, he was like, what do you want to eat, babe? I'm buying. And I'm like, I bought me something. And he's like, what? And I'm like, I bought me some sushi rolls. And he's like, what? Because he knows I never eat this with him, you know, around him or in front of him or anything. And I was like, yeah. I was like, I wanted to try it. So, try it. And then he's like, I was like, well, what do you want to eat? Do you want me to make you something? Because I had just bought groceries. Alright. I'll make you something real quick if you want. I go, I don't mind. And he's like, I don't feel like you cooking. You don't have to cook today. And I'm like, okay. If I don't have to cook, I'm good. I'm good with that. So he was like, well, I was like, well, what do you want? Do you want something certain? Do you want chicken? Do you want a burger? What do you want? And he's like, I don't know yet. I'm like, well, I'm done with what I was doing in the kitchen, so I can start doing my video. And he's like, oh, okay, well, I was like, I'm gonna let you think about it. I'm gonna go do something, and then just holler at me when you're ready. And he's like, okay. So finally, he yells from the room. He's like, I'm not even paying attention to try to pick it up. I'm just talking. He's like, I know what I want. And I was like, what? What do you want? And he's like, just go get me some chicken. I was like, which chicken? Because we got 2 chicken places here in town. And he's like, Church's. I'm like, okay, babe. I'll go get you Church's. Mind you, at the beginning, he told me, I'll pay for it. I'll pay for the food. Okay. Now, why did I have to pay for it? I don't mind, but for him saying, I'm going to pay for it, don't worry about it. But I think he said that because he thought I wanted to make a video of something, and, hold on, baby. He thought I wanted to make a video of certain food or whatever, and, I told him that I had already bought this, so I guess he's just like, okay, well, that's fine, I'll just eat Church's. I didn't even think about it. Whenever I went to the store, I didn't even think, wasn't going to buy this. I wasn't going to buy this. I don't even have it in my thought of doing a video on this. But then when that lady said, I can make it how you want, that was a big thumbs up. So I'm sitting there and I'm standing there, I'm like, okay, well, can you make it like this? And I was like, is it good? And me thinking in the back of my head, I hope she don't lie to me. I hope she don't tell me, oh yeah, it's real good. And then we get it home and then it's like, ugh. You know what I mean? But actually, no, it wasn't like that, you know. She was real honest. It was a Chinese lady. She was real honest. And she said, you know, how they tasted, that they were real good. And then, like the pot stickers, I was like, which one should I get? Which one sells more? The chicken or the pork? And she's like, both of them sell good. Both of them people buy. And I was like, well, which one should I get? But I didn't tell her I was making a video. I was just asking. Like, she freaked out because I bought both of those and I bought these 2. So, like, she freaked out because I was buying so much. And she was like, all of it's good. She goes, the way she was talking, like she couldn't talk that much English. And then she goes, I don't lie to you. And I was like, oh, okay. I go, you sure? And she was like, no, me, no lie. I was like, oh, okay. I was like, well, I appreciate it. So, got that. Never, ever go to the store when you're hungry. Because then you buy the whole freaking store. Believe me, that's the truth. I bought some stuff that could have waited, that I didn't have to buy right now. I bought cereals that I could have just bought one box, and I bought like 3. I bought, what was it that I bought? I bought oatmeal. I eat oatmeal in the mornings when I'm at work or before I go to work. And I'll eat a bowl of oatmeal. So I bought 2 boxes, which I could have just bought one right now and then later on went and bought another one. But the way I saw it is like, if I buy it now, I won't have to go to the store again. So half the stuff that I got, I could have waited and I could have got it later. But, I had it in my head, well, I don't want to come to the store later on. But you know what? It's always something. You always forget about something. I know what I forgot. Just talking to y'all. My husband's candy. He always wants me to buy him candy. So yeah, probably gonna have to go back for that. I'll let him. It's all good though. So yeah. Whew, I'm getting full. I'll probably save this. And put them both in one little container and take it to work. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I just love it. Oh my god, I didn't think I was gonna like this. Oh yeah, I went online. I went on Amazon.com and I found me the spicy noodles ×2, the red bag and the black bag. So I think I'm gonna purchase that. I got more. And let me bite it. Yeah. I've never tried, what is that, seaweed? I've never tried that. But for all of it being all together in one, the flavors just all pop and they all go together. Like, whew, it is good. And for me, this is my first time trying it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The little onions. I hit it with my lip. These were good, but it's not something I would buy all the time. But these right here, I would go buy these. I would ask her if she would be able to make these for me. Probably next time, I'll try the salmon and the tuna. I've never tried them, but next time I will. And I'll do another video on it. But I'm already full. I did eat a lot. It may not look like it. It may not look like I did anything, but I ate one whole line. And I ate a little bit more than a line on this one. And then that, I only ate a couple just to try it out. I mean, they're good, but I won't buy them again. I like this better. I was just doing a taste test. But yeah. Let me know what y'all eat. What y'all like. Or if y'all ever ate sushi. It's filling. Believe me, it is filling. It is good. And if y'all don't like the crab, if y'all don't like the salmon, y'all don't like the tuna, I know the place here, H-E-B. I don't know if y'all are H-E-B or if y'all have a H-E-B. I don't know if they make them in your store. But check it out. Maybe they do. And I know our store, the lady made them especially for me. I mean, I told her what I didn't like and what I liked, and she made it for me. And I saw her make it, so I know everything that was put inside of it. So go try it out. I believe me, y'all won't be disappointed. I mean, everything was good. Like I said, it was good, but I wouldn't buy it again because it's not something that I would eat all the time. I mean, they were good. They're not me. These, yes, I will eat these again. I will buy them again. I mean, they're a little bit expensive. So y'all saw $8 for one, or $8.79 for one. So, but it's not a bad price, and I mean, it fills you up. The only reason why I bought two is because I wanted to show y'all what they have. Maybe next time I'll do the spring rolls. I've never tried them. I was kind of skeptical about it, but you know what? Now that I've tried it, I am going to go try the other stuff. So look out for a video for that. And having a great morning, noon, night, and a great Sunday. And I hope everybody had a great weekend. Everybody was safe. And sorry about that. Alright, don't forget to like my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. Show me some love. Come on now. I know y'all can do that. Share my videos. Let your friends know to come subscribe to my channel. Y'all won't be disappointed. I mean, I have different stuff all the time on my channel. So I will be doing a spicy noodle challenge whenever they come in. So stay tuned for that. And hopefully they come in, I think Thursday or Friday. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.